Let me see. Somebody said Google Cyber Cert or Azure Cert AZ5. I would say Azure. I would say neither one. AWS. AWS. I would say start with that one. No, Azure. Out of those two, I'm probably biased because I'm in the GovTech space. They mostly use Azure and AWS. So of those two that you just mentioned, I would say Azure. Azure would probably be a better one, and only reason is because the here, let me show you something. The cloud market, something I like to share with people. Cloud market share. Here's why I say that. The question was, which one should you use, cloud share or? I mean, they were asking, should they go with Google? I guess that was their question. Should they go with Google or should they go with Azure? And I was saying Azure out of those two. And here's why. Because the market share, as you can see, is AWS has 34% of the market, total market share. And then Google has, Azure, Microsoft has 21% and Google has 11%. That could switch at any time. This has changed over the years. But right now, that's the market share right there. The top three on planet Earth is Amazon, Microsoft, and Google in that order. So I usually tell people to go with the biggest gorilla on the block there, which is either Amazon or Microsoft Azure products. But I mean, Google is awesome. I like most of their products better than the other two, to be honest with you. I use them more. But in the B2B space, most people are using either Microsoft or Azure. Like if you're working for, I don't know, a DEA or something, more than likely they're using one of these two with very little use of Google. That said, there are other industries that use that might use Oracle or Google more or something.